Good morning, everybody. This morning I decided that I am going to make some French toast with the homemade bread I made yesterday, which is really good. It's called quick casserole bread. I will have that video on my channel. You guys can check it out if you want to learn how to make this bread. It's very delicious. But I decided this morning I'm going to try to make French toast with it to see how that turns out, because it is really good. So what I'm going to do is going to cut me 2 good pieces of this bread. 2 good thick pieces. And have that ready. Put the rest away. So don't get all hard and nasty. Alright. Now I am going to mix the ingredients to make the French toast, which will include, make sure I got the right one, 2 eggs and a half a cup of milk will be going in my mixture. Now you can add whatever you want. I'm also going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg. And when you're finished with this, you could add on top whatever you want. You could put fresh fruits, strawberry, blueberries, whatever you like to put on top. Whipped cream, syrup, chocolate syrup, whatever you want. You could put it on top. But I'm doing the basic. I'm diabetic. I can't have most of what goes on these things. So I'm doing the basic. So here we go. I'm going to add my 2 eggs to the bowl. Of course, I would get a piece of shell in there. That's usually how that works, you know. And then the milk. Grab a napkin real quick. Then I'm going to add my 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And my 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. I forgot to put that lid back on it. Alright. I always like to put the lids back on all my stuff before I move on, because I don't like making messes. Get all this out of the way. Okay, I'm going to start heating up my pan to a medium heat while I'm mixing my eggs and milk and spices. You want to get it good and mixed, good and fluffed up. And that's what your mix is going to look like. Here's the French toast. Then I'm going to add some butter to my pan. I'm going to get those soaking in the mix. Get them good and soaked up. Get some butter in my pan, because I like to let the butter tell me when the pan's ready. should be enough butter. I'll leave the butter out just in case. All right, I'm gonna flip over these in the mixture. Get them all good and soaked up with the mixture. That's what you want to do. You want to absorb some of that egg and milk. All right. Now we'll wait for our pan to get hot. Okay, I think we got the pan hot enough now. So what you want to do is start taking your French toast that you're putting in there and put it in the pan. Ow, just hurt myself. I ended up going to have an unexpected guest this morning, so I got to make 2 more pieces. I wasn't expecting to have anybody with me for breakfast this morning, so now I am making a couple more pieces. But you put it in the pan. And you let those cook about 2.5 minutes on each side. Let you get a little bit of a closer view of what it looks like in the pan. I had the end piece that was there, so I decided, oh well, I'll cook it too. It's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. I am a prep as you go person, clean as you go. I like to get things cleaned up while I'm working. You do it that way, you have less of a mess in the end, and makes things a little easier. I am also OCD, so that doesn't help matters. Alright, so let's check these and see how they're looking on this side. Smells really good. Oh, that one got a little overcooked. It's alright though. I'll eat it. Looking beautiful. As a diabetic, I use the sugar-free Mrs. Buttersworth. I know it's still sweet and it still triggers your insulin, but a person has got to eat. You gotta eat. So there's that. And like I said, you could put strawberries, blueberries, Cool Whip, whatever you want on it. Where we're at in Michigan, it's hard to find any kind of good fresh fruits right now. So unfortunately, I don't have anything to put on top, but I would like to have some nice strawberries. And I will be making a video sometime really soon. It's called a strawberry casserole. Or, I'm sorry, strawberry French toast casserole. Oh my God, I've had it before. I made it before, and it is so good. And you guys would really, really, really like that. if you like strawberries and French toast like I do anyway. All right, these are pretty much done. So I am going to take them off the griddle. My hair is getting out of control. Put them on the plate. Take the pan off the heat. And clean your stove every time you use it. You won't have the problem later of having to scrub your butt off to clean your stove. If you do it every time you use your stove, it will make life a lot easier for you. It's not that hard. 2 minutes. Just clean it up. So anyway, that is my French toast. That is what it looks like now. I had that extra piece. I cooked it. So anyway, there it is. This is my quick basic recipe French toast, but I used the fresh bread that I made yesterday, homemade, and it was called quick casserole bread. And I have a video that's on my page right now that you can go check out if you want to learn how to make it. Oh my God, it is so good. Tastes great. And I hope you like my video. If you like it, like and subscribe, and thank you very much. Have a good day.